For the last decade, the way we use the internet has felt stuck. A chaotic mess of endless tabs, disorganized bookmarks, and a constant struggle to find the information we actually need. What if we could start over? What if a browser wasn't just a window to the internet, but an intelligent partner that could organize our digital lives for us? Hey everyone, it's Mike from Mike's AI Forge. Today, we're not just looking at another Chrome alternative, we're looking at a fundamental rethinking of what a browser can be. This is Arc from a team called the Browser Company, and their mission is to do more than just meet your needs. They want to anticipate them. And at the heart of that mission is a powerful suite of AI features that might just change how you browse forever. The first thing you notice about Arc is its philosophy of organization. It's built on the idea of spaces, letting you create separate, dedicated windows for the different sides of your life. Imagine having one space for your personal mood boarding with art and inspiration, and a completely separate one for your work projects with different tabs and bookmarks. This isn't just about tidiness, it's about focus. It allows you to mentally separate your contexts, which is a massive boost for productivity, whether you're working, studying, or just exploring a hobby. They've built this browser around how your brain actually works. But where Arc truly enters the future is with its new AI search features on mobile, a system they call Arc Max. And this is where the real magic begins. Let's run a real-world test. Imagine you're planning a trip. Your query is things to do in Oaxaca. A normal browser would just dump a list of blue links on you, leaving you to do all the work. But watch this. Arc's AI feature, Browse for Me, takes that query, opens the top search results in the background, reads them for you, and then builds a brand new, clean, perfectly organized web page summarizing everything you need to know. It creates categories for must-see sites, cultural experiences, and foodie adventures, pulling the best information from multiple sources into one place. This isn't just search, it's an answer. It saves you the 20 minutes of manual clicking and comparing you would have spent delivering exactly what you wanted in seconds. And the AI is woven into every part of the experience. You can highlight a long article and use the Get the Gist feature to get an instant summary. You can use walkie-talkie voice search to ask questions hands-free. Or if you're on a page and have a specific question, like what are chapulines? The AI can scan the text and pull the answer directly, pinpointing the exact information on the page. This is what it feels like to have an AI research assistant built directly into the fabric of your browser. This is all powered by Arc's new AI agent, Daya. And to understand their vision, we can look directly at the browser company's X feed. They're incredibly transparent about their goals. Their CEO, Josh Miller, recently announced they were acquired by Atlassian with the mission of bringing Arc's innovative features to a wider audience. They're not just building a browser, they're building a new way to work, a new way to think. They even have posts looking forward to the year 2030, showing a long-term vision that's deeply inspiring. This is a team that's not just in it for the short term, they're trying to build the future of the internet. So how can we use this power in our own workflows? Let's connect it to a real-world problem. As you know, I'm obsessed with finding the best AI tools. So I'll use Arc's split view feature to open up my own platform, AI Exploria, right next to a Google search. My goal is to find the best AI summarization tools. I have two tabs open, one with a Google search for summarize these two pages, and one with my AI tools directory. Now, watch this. Using ArcMax, I can simply type summarize these two pages, and the AI will analyze both open tabs and give me a synthesized result. This is multitasking on a whole new level. It's using AI to connect ideas across different sources in real time. And this brings us to the ultimate point. While a raw, Google search can give you a general overview of popular AI tools. For real, professional work, you need a curated, verified source. That's where a platform like AI Exploria comes in. I've designed it to be the ultimate directory where every tool is vetted. You can filter by verified, see which tools are freemium, and get a clean, organized view of the best AI software available. So, the ultimate workflow. You use Arc as your intelligent, organized window to the internet, and you use a specialized hub like AI Exploria as your trusted source for the tools you need to build your business. So, what have we really seen today? A glimpse into the future of browsing. A future where our tools don't just show us information, they understand it, organize it, and help us act on it. If you're someone who feels overwhelmed by digital clutter or is looking for a smarter way to work, Arc is something you need to try. And the new AI layer that powers all of this is called Dia. This is where Arc becomes a true thought partner right inside your tabs. For students and researchers, this is a game changer. Dia can act as your personal tutor, a study buddy, a writing coach, or even a coding partner. It interacts with the content you're already looking at, helping you turn dense information into actual knowledge. But it goes beyond learning. The next pillar is Dia for planning. This is about turning your browser into a personal assistant that's already up to speed. For example, imagine you're planning a trip and have multiple Airbnb tabs open. Instead of manually comparing them, you can just ask Dia to compare these Airbnbs in a chart, which is closest to the beach, and just like that, it pulls the data from all your open tabs and gives you a clean, organized table with all the information you need to make a decision. Or look at this, a complex kickoff email for a new project. It's full of paragraphs and dense text. You can simply ask Dia to turn this email into action items, and it instantly creates a numbered, actionable to-do list. This is how you reclaim your time by automating the tedious work of organizing information. And then there's Dia for shopping, which acts as a retail concierge while you browse. Let's say you're looking at an expensive product. You can literally ask Dia to convince me not to buy this, and it will give you a logical, unbiased breakdown of why you might want to reconsider. But it can also help you save money. You can take a picture of a product you like and ask Dia to find me a cheaper version of this that doesn't look cheap. It will then browse the web for you and find the best affordable alternatives. It can even blitz through hundreds of customer reviews on a product and give you an instant summary of the most common issues, so you know exactly what to expect before you buy. Ultimately, this is all about making the internet work for you. As you can see from these testimonials, Dia is already helping professionals do everything from localizing content for different audiences to picking apart complex SaaS tools. And they've built this with privacy at its core. Dia exists to make the internet better, not to profit off your personal data. You are in complete control. And this is where the real advantage comes in. Think about how you can turn these features into a service. For a freelance social media manager, using Dia to instantly summarize client emails into action items is a billable hour saved. For a student, having an AI that can turn research papers into flashcards and study guides is a massive academic edge. And for an entrepreneur, the ability to have an AI analyze competitor websites side by side or find the best product. Alternatives is a powerful strategic weapon. Arc isn't just a better way to browse. It's a tool that gives you a direct, measurable advantage in whatever you're trying to achieve. And if you're serious about leveraging the best AI tools, I've built AI Exploria for you. I'm constantly updating the directory and adding new utilities to the Forge to give you a real-world advantage. I'm inviting you to join for free. The link is right at the top of the description. What's the number one feature you wish your current browser had? let me know in the comments below. If you got value from this deep dive, hit that subscribe button and give this video a like. It really helps the channel grow. Thanks for forging with me today, and I'll